Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I have a very beautiful math problem for you to solve. This problem was given in AIME, which is basically American Invitational Math Exam in 1986. So it was given in AIME contest, so it's a contest problem. So as you can see, these are basically 5 linear equations and there are five variables. See, so like from x1 to x5 there are 5 variables, right? And there are 5 equations. So when you see this kind of problem, the traditional method of solving this kind of problem is to do some kind of substitution, or some other methods. But the problem of using those methods is that the process of solving this problem could be very tedious, and also because there are lots of equations. There are 5 equations, and you have to find the value of 5 variables. So it could be very tedious. So I would recommend you to pause the video and then try to think about solving it in a more creative way. Try to see some kind of pattern maybe. So I'll give you a hint. So let's say, as you can see in the first equation, the coefficient of x1 is 2 and the coefficient of other 4 variables are 1, right? In the second equation, the coefficient of x2 is 2. The third equation, coefficient of x3 is 2. In the fourth equation, coefficient of x4 is 2. And in the last equation, the coefficient of x5 is 2. So there's some kind of symmetry, as you can see. So using that symmetry, try to come up with some clever way of solving this problem, where you don't have to, you don't have to do a lot of hard work, but it could be a very creative method. Okay, so take as much time as you need. Try to solve it by yourself. So I'll try to solve it right now. So again, as you can see, like there's some kind of symmetry, and using that symmetry, if you try different method, and probably you will stumble upon this method, and that is to try to add all the equation up. If you add all the equation, what you will get is that you will have 6x1 here, because there is 2x1 in the first equation and there are 4 more x1 in the 4 other equation. So you have 6x1, and then you have also 6x2, right? And then 6x3, 6x4, and then 6x5. On the right side, you'll have 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus 96, right? Now you can take 6 as a common divisor. As 6 is a common divisor of all this number, you can write 6 here. You will have 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. If you divide both sides of the equation by 6, you will have on the left side, you will have x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5, and on the right side, you will have 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 8 is 15, 31. You will have 31. So we found this new equation right over here, which is basically the summation of all the 5 variables, right? Now if you subtract this equation from the first equation, what you will have? You will find the value of x1, because there is one extra x1 here. So if you subtract this equation from the first equation, you will find the value of x1. If you subtract this equation from the second equation, you will find the value of x2. If you subtract this one from the third equation, you will find the value of x3, and then x4 and x5. Beautiful, right?